Hi, so we're making this coaster and we're using PDB glitter in Exhale and then some pigment powder in Moon Dust and PDB's like new thing. It's called Ice Queen. I've already mixed the epoxy resin parts A and B, so now we're going to use the Exhale glitter and put that into this first mix. I already poured like 2 smaller cups too, and then we'll add the Moon Dust to the other one and then the Ice Queen. But first we'll do this Exhale. Moon Dust is one of my favorite PDB pigment powders. It's just a really subtle touch of shimmer and it's kind of like a clearish white, and you can really add more to it or you can add as little, but it just gives like a clear glitter, a little bit of shimmer, which is so nice. So I'm just gonna go ahead and mix that. I'm using this plastic popsicle stick, which is reusable, and I really like it because it's easy to clean instead of the disposable one. Now here is Ice Queen. It's so pretty. It reminds me of like clear shards of kind of like plasticky. Look how pretty it is. So I'm just taking a little bit and I'm mixing it with the Moon Dust. You can use it by itself as well. I'm actually taking a little bit and I'm putting some on the mold itself. I'm hoping that you'll be able to see it a little bit more this way when I pour in the resin on top. So here it is mixed in with the Moon Dust. Now I'm just going to pour this mix into the mold and I'm going to put it into different sections. Once I'm done pouring the Moon Dust mix, now I'm going to take the Exhale mix and fill the other spaces. And I'm hoping that once I zap it with a heat gun, it'll kind of just like blend together and give it kind of like a marbly look. So we'll see how it turns out. I decided to add a little bit more of a white alcohol ink to this little bit of a mix to see if I can add just another shade of white into this mix. Now I'm just going to let this sit for 24 hours. Here's a closer up of what it looks like when it dried up. And again, I use PDB Creative Studio's Exhale, Moon Dust, and Ice Queen. Yay! So now it's time to unmold it, which is my favorite part. I love seeing how it turns out. So this coaster has like a really cool diamond edge finish. So here's what it looks like. I love how it turned out. I love the backside too. I think for next time I'm going to add a little bit more alcohol ink to the front part. This is that cool diamond edge finish, which is really cool. I decided that I wanted to add like a little bit of a floral design, so I'm using holographic vinyl and I cut it out of my Cricut machine. So now I'm just going to take it and we're going to weed the negative. Once it's all weeded out, I'm going to take some transfer tape, and I actually picked this design over the other one. I couldn't decide, and just adhere it onto the coaster just like that. And here's what it looks like all finished. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. I'll see you again for the next craft.